In this video, I will show you how to fix Among Us game launcher connection error. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router and try again. Next, you want to completely close the Among Us game. Open App Switcher or recent apps and you want to remove Among Us from that as well. If you are playing Among Us in your PC, you want to do the same over there as well. Then reopen it. If the issue continues, check for game updates. Open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search for Among Us. If you find the update option, tap on that and update it to the latest version. You should also verify that your device date and time settings are set to automatic. Incorrect time settings can prevent game from connecting to its server. If you have any kind of VPN on, you want to turn that off as well. Lastly, you want to clear the cache of the game. For that, long press on Among Us, then tap on this app info icon. It will take you to app settings. Here, scroll down and tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Now open Among Us and this issue should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you can simply uninstall the application and install it again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.